trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
We just finished lunch, and in 30 minutes we're leaving for Philippines.
And we're very excited because we're about to explore more than 700 islands.
There's 7,300, and there's pirates in some of them. Philippines has more than 7,000 islands.
So wish us good luck.
Our plane has been delayed. It was supposed to depart 20 minutes ago. Our flight is delayed with another half an hour. We're ready to sleep now. We'll be there in 3 hours. We'll see you in Philippines.
Time for flight with Air Asia and welcome to Manila.
We landed in Philippines. We're going to the island.
I'm looking at you and you're looking at me, and all of a sudden it rains over me. All we ever wanted was crossing our ways tonight.
Our flight was delayed again, but we got to see the sunrise.
Flight PR423
So
from Manila. No worries.
Just moment to arrive home. Just can't hold it back no more. My mind is in a different place. I haven't been awake for years. I know you try to bring me back. It's in my veins. I was so beyond my feet. I knew that you would rescue me. The antidote is kicking in. It's in my veins. We'll never break apart, 'cause I know that you love me. The antidote is my heart. It's in my veins.
So we got to the 10,000 roses. We were just talking to the owner and he was telling us how he came up with the idea for this place. Hey, it's a very, very unique place.
I lived here 5 years, and when I roaming around, I saw that many young couples they just stayed on something looks like parking lot. Wants to make separate park or garden for couples.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Gotta get it right now.
you cannot beat the price. It's $9.90 something. And we've been to so many places.